spoil you. You pay anything you like. Long as you alright, then me alright. Me know you not that's why me like you. Do I want to me that's the money and girl every time. Then give them the and pick up every time.
Spoil you, give it anything you like, long as you're right. Got me like you, to what mother like. Hey, you know from when if you do a review on this? You know from when? But things have been getting in my way. People have been getting in my way to do this review. So it's a bit late, but better late than never, right? So me I do a review of Alkaline Spoil You. And if you follow me on Snapchat, you would already know that this is my song. I'm always playing this song on Snapchat. I'm always dancing to this song on Snapchat. So you guys already know what's up, what's good. But without further ado, I'm gonna review the lyrics, and I might drop a few dancing scene in this review too at the same damn time. So that's what we're about to do. Spoil it. So Alkaline start off the lyrics by saying, yellow moon, yeah. And then he said, bounce for me no. Rest your standard on the ground for me no. Take it off, draw it down for me no. You hear me? And then he goes into the chorus and say, baby girl, just make me spoil you, give you anything I like. As long as you alright, me alright. That's why me like you. Cause the two we mother like. Plus your bumper have the proper size. So back it up. Me there behind you, slap it make a nice, snap a random pictures, it's pretty on every side. Make me spoil your skin clean, thick tight, plushy bright, so me not have no choice. Okay? And then the first verse goes into, and he said, well. Me dash your money pan girl every day. Them kiss them teeth and pick up every dime. Me no know, me see something in a you. So me have to follow me mind. I know good woman hard to find. Them say, them love you, turn around and give you a dog a shine. But that honor you. Cause any man where you give a fuck have to honor you. Spoil you, but honor nothing. Spoil you, but honor nothing friends. From me see you the first time, me want fuck you till then, Jano. Your tight draws have me in a suspense. Me woulda mash up if you tell me we should be just friends. God no. Me really want to be the one that make you happy. Give you your regular cocky. Travel the world. Who fi stop it? Moderate me sister. Moderate me sister, brother, everybody. But the father don't like me cause she a call me daddy. Oh well. And then he goes into the chorus and say, baby, just make me spoil you, give you anything you like. As long as you alright, me alright. That's why me like you. Cause the two we mother like. Plus your bumper have the proper size. So back it up me there behind you. And he slap the bumper. It make a nice snap a random picture, she pretty on every side. Make me spoil you, skin clean, thick ties, plus she bright, she's head smart. So me no have a choice. And then he go in and say, glow my baby. New man in your life, I need to show my baby. Whole heap of plans me have for you, my baby. Until me get my first born, and you, my baby. All that, yes, she all that. And she keep me calm, so me never go off track. More than me girl, me know what we call that. And me no see none of me ex them me woulda want back. What you like, better yet, what you love. too pretty for stay in your house, go get your stuff under the moonlight, just me and you. Strike a distance, cause you know who. There's something that go. When you drop, me pick you up, stick you up. Beat it with the lumber upon your flesh, make you give up. Make you feel special all the time, all year round, not only your birthday come. Grab on for me. And then you go into the chorus and say, baby, make me spoil you, give you anything you like. As long as you alright, me alright. That's why I like you, cause the tour we mother like. Plus your bumper have the proper size. So back it up, me the behind you, slap it, make a nice, snap a random picture, she's pretty but never say, me spoil your skin clean, take that. Plus she bright, so me never hide. Well. And that's how the lyrics from Spoil You go. I actually really love this song right here. Like Alkaline did an amazing job with this song, and I feel like he needs to put out a amazing video with him a spoil one girl and carry her out and make she feel nice and slap up her bumper and take some picture. Cause you know, if you have a pretty girl or if you have somebody that look decent, you always want to take a picture of them, you want to always take a snapshot of them, you always want to see them smiling. So that's what Alkaline is saying in this song, and I like how he's changing, he's growing into his music. This right here, the last part when he said, go my baby, new man in your life, I need to show my baby. He switched up the flow of the song, but the song transitioned into that perfectly. Like, this boy is actually becoming somebody that people need to watch out for, because he's growing and he's coming into his own as an artist now. The only thing we want from Alkaline right now is a good video. Me feel that this I gotta be the song for him, to push him into the New Year's. I the girl them song this, okay? A Femi song. I love this song, and if you follow me on Snapchat, you already know I go in when this song starts, okay? Go in. But I love the song. Alkaline did a great job, and I can't say anything more. Like, the flow is crazy, the song lyrics are crazy. Alkaline grew and matured into his own, and you can tell by the lyrics. He doesn't have any explicit lyrics, but you can tell exactly what he's talking about. He's talking about loving someone. He's talking about the differences in loving someone and how that person is different from everybody else that he has ever dated. So, with that being said, that's my review for Spoil You. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm out of here. Deuce.